and the weight on rear axle is 4.1 ton. With a larger diameter drum, combined with amplitude, consistency, and uniformity, we ensure that the optimum compaction force is delivered with fewer passes required. And let's see the cabin. New dashboard with 3-stage alarm monitoring. The cab provides super large interior space and broad vision. The premium operator station with big space and superior visibility. You can choose air conditioner and heating systems if you need. We are the largest construction machine